Hi class, I am going to record 2 different videos today for you and post them. I tend to get a little bit long-winded. Aren't you guys glad you're not in a lecture class with me? Just kidding. But I wanted to talk about 2 different things. First of all, I want you guys, for those of you especially who look ahead in the different weeks and kind of plan out what's going to be assigned and what you need, I made some changes to the assignments this week. I felt like I needed to switch some things around. I don't know if any of you guys are really into strengths. You should have taken that last semester and done a little bit of exploring in that. I have the strength of a ranger. That means I like to move things around to get it to the best fit. So I feel like how I rearrange things is the best fit. So next week, sorry, I'm gonna get it back into this. I did not, actually, I think it's this weekend, you were supposed to have a lit review. You were supposed to work on a lit review. I feel like you guys are not quite at the place yet to do that lit review. And I wanted you guys to outline your paper first. So look over the overview and the paper. I'm gonna keep making sure that I got everything switched around, but if things get a little bit wonky or confused, look for something, like if you're not finding something for week 5, look at it in week 6 or vice versa, okay? So I wanna make that really clear that this week you are now doing your outline and next week you're going to do your lit review. So there's definitely some switches there. And there was a case study for week 6 that I am taking out because I think that you guys are working hard enough. And now with moving the lit review to next week, I need you guys, or I understand that lit reviews are not easy, and that will be some of my other videos. And so I just really want you guys to focus on the lit review and get that well written and not have to worry about any other assignments, okay? So no case study. So if you see reference to a case study, I think I might be giving all of you guys points for that. I don't know. I have to figure that out too, how that works. I've never had to delete an assignment before. So ignore a week 6 case study. That one was called Searching for Great Sources. And just work on an outline for this week for your paper. So we're kind of working through this research paper that gives, you're going to have your research question and the kind of the problem around that, a little bit of like, in a way, the setting of what that problem is, that research that you're doing. And then you'll have a lit review in there. So in that, I want you to actually fill in with this outline, kind of think through how you want to write an outline for the paper. I'm really flexible on how this looks because I want it to be something that's helpful for you setting up your paper. So you're going to kind of work through that you're going to write a paper with an introduction. So that's introducing the reader to your topic, posing your research question and the problem around that. And then you're going to have a lit review and you're going to have some solutions after that. And then your references. That's what your paper is going to look like. So what I need that outline to do is follow that order. And then as much as you want to fill in at this point, so you remember that annotated bibliography that you found 5 sources, take those journal articles that I said were acceptable and find any more that you need. And if you want, start plugging in things, quotes from those that you want to use within your paper, all right? So really make this something that is usable for you in the future. So you're basically going to be graded on the order and that it actually has something that I deem as useful, even though I know I'm going to be putting myself in your shoes and see that this is something that you could write your paper off of. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'll be recording some more information in just a moment. Thanks.